Maria, I've just met a girl named Maria.
Siya ba? Tumayo. Sino siya? Siya ba yung mahilig magtaas ng kilay?
I am what I am. I don't want praise. I don't want pity.
Yung kapag sa drama, umiiyak ka ba? Parang ganito.
Boys, I think it's pretty. And so what if I love you?
Nagdaganto?
See things from a different angle.
Siya ba yung may boyish role na mahilig maganda?
Till you can shout out. I am what I am.
Yung may dance move na ganito? Nakakaloka. Wala kang kupas. Charing.
Your mouth in your pocket, Mary.
Ay, kamote. Pwede.
Nakakaloka.
Keep your mouth in your pocket. Ay, kamote.
Ako po si Marisol Soriano.
I am what I am. I am what I am. Oh, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks